Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, I am Mohammad Abdullah Khan. Most of the people call me just Abdullah, which means God's slave, or slave of God. Okay, okay. Today I brought you a gift, which is nothing but the truth. To deliver this to you clearly, it is nothing but a clarity to your mind. Okay, confusion is the biggest problem. Humans should not stay in a confused mind, which will push him into such a worst situations. So confusion is always worst. So what I'm gonna say is it really helps you to define decisions, helps you to come out of depression very easily. It's nothing friends, just you have to understand some things, okay? Actually I don't understand why are you people not understanding such simple things. There is no such thing like loss, negativity, bad times, unlucky, etc. Whatever it is. But whatever it is you consider like you don't worth it. Okay. But actually that's all good, extreme good than the normal good. Yes? If you get what you liked, if you got what you wanted to have, that's good. Okay? And if you don't get what you liked, that is extreme good. Yeah, come on. The God one who created everything, the entire universe, we are nothing. Okay, if we get out of this world, there are many powerful things. We are nothing in front of that. Even the earth. Okay? And he is running such a big universe. Doesn't he knows what is good for you and what is not? When something good happened around you, you are not remembering him. But if something bad happens, then you get into like scolding him. You begin to hopeless on him. There are many things. Wow, beautiful creature we are. Ah, he must be proud of us, right? Remember one thing. He is a God. He is one who created you, and he knows who should die and who should not. He knows what you need and what you don't need. Okay? We are not even using our brain more than 50% and denying the one who has immense knowledge which is unmeasurable. Such a sad thing. Yep. Have to accept. Please understand. I beg you, don't ever bother about losing your soul to do good. I don't know how to explain you, but the truth is, you don't need food to survive. No sleep, no rest. You don't need it. Well, you don't understand. Let me explain. All these things, like the rest, survive, sleep, you are doing is not for you, but for the human body you are staying in. The mechanism you are using, which is given to you to live in this world, to play your part as a human in this human world. Okay? After the death means is nothing but extraction, which is you and your body gets separated. After the death, the human body stays in the earth. Yeah, whatever it is that belongs to earth, your body you're using that belongs to earth and it stays here itself. But you will not. You are a immense creature, You don't need food or whatever. You can go wherever you want. Like go front in time, go back in time. Actually, the truth is, the one thing you call soul, the soul is you. Okay? This body doesn't belong to you. It is given to you just for the survival, to live in this world. And why? Why such thing happens? Why this human body is locked with our emotions, like feeling everything. And the main thing war in this world is to fight for the God. One who created you, you have to fight for him. Yeah, in your way. He can win that just like that. But he created you. He wants to see how his creatures are loyal to him. Fight for the God against the evil. You don't need anything, man. Then how you get to feel like what that like that what like that how like that is what the trap of the evil. Understood? You don't need anything. You're just a soul, man. You don't need anything. But how did you get to like you want that, you want this, you like I like that, I want that. How do you get this feeling is nothing but that is a trap of the evil to grow your desire towards the world. And you don't get that sometimes because God knows that is not relevant for you or maybe not fair for you. Yeah, God doesn't want to let you in the failure, regression, depression. So He saves you from that. And then you think God is not giving you what you like. He hates you, etc. etc. Yeah, you know what our people say today. Such a cruel, isn't it? Remember, let it be whatever happens, but the truth is really powerful. Yeah, the truth is powerful. That's why it is hard to follow that. And another thing is that is what going to win at last. A simple example is whatever the disease you get, after getting the medicine, what happens? The disease get destroyed and the medicine wins. That's like such like that. And eventually the medicine doesn't taste good, isn't it? But that is what going to cure you. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. That is what. The truth is what it's going to win at last. Stay out of the evil if you wanna join the victory. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.